exponent x plus 20 exponent x equals 200. Okay, so we are going to have 20 exponent x multiplying 1 plus 1 equals 200. So our equation becomes 20 exponent x times 2 equals 200. Okay, so this will give us 20 exponent x times 2 equals 200. Now let's divide here by 2 and then here by 2. Okay, so 2 cancels itself, 1 goes here, 100. Okay, so we're going to have 20 exponent x equals 100. Okay, now 20 is the same as 4 times 5. Okay, and 100 is the same as 4 times 25. All right, now let's apply the product to a power rule of indices here. And the rule states that a times b, or in a bracket exponent c, equals a exponent c times b exponent c. Okay, so this gives us 4 exponent x times 5 exponent x equals, now 4 is the same as 2 exponent 2, and then 25 is the same as 5 exponent 2. Okay, now this 4 here can be written as 2 exponent 2. Okay, and this 5, sorry, and this is 5 exponent x equals 2 exponent 2 times 5 exponent 2. All right, so this is what we have. Okay, now here you're going to apply the power of a power rule of indices. Okay, so you say a exponent m multiplying the exponent c equals a exponent mc. Therefore, our equation becomes 2 exponent 2x times 5 exponent x equals 2 exponent 2 times 5 exponent 2. Okay, now here we are going to apply logarithm. Okay, so we say log 2 exponent 2x times 5 exponent x equals log 2 squared times 5 squared. All right, so you're going to apply the product law of indices. So log a times b should give us log a plus log b. Okay, so our equation becomes log 2 exponent 2x, okay, plus log 5 exponent x equals log 2 squared plus log 5 squared. All right, now log a exponent n base b equals n log a base b. Now this is known as the logarithm definition. Okay, so we're going to have 2x log 2 plus x log 5 equals 2 log 2 plus 2 log, 2 log 5. All right, so here we are going to factorize. Okay, so s comes out and we have 2 log 2 plus log 5 equals 2 log 2 plus 2 log 5. All right, so we are going to divide here by 2 log 2 plus log 5. Okay, and we are dividing because we want to make x the subject of the equation. And then we divide here by 2 log 2 plus log 5. Okay, so this cancels this. Okay, so we know that anything over itself is 1. So a over a should give us 1. So 2 log 2 plus 2 log 5 over 2 log 2 plus log 5. Okay. All right, so this is what we have. Now let's check something quickly before we proceed. All right, so our equation becomes, okay, so a over a is 1. So anything over itself is 1. So that's the concept we are applying at the left part of the equation. So we're going to have x equals, okay, 2 log 2 plus, okay, 2 log 5, 2 log 5 all over 2 log 2 plus log 5. Okay, so this is our answer.